How's it going, everybody? Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Toro for providing the snow blower for free. In coming videos, I will break down what's new and improved with this new Toro snow blower. Things I like, things that I may dislike. I don't have any gas left at the house, so I gotta get some gas before I can even run it, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing video, and subscribe to my channel, like this video if you don't mind, and ring the bell, and you'll see when the next video drops. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.